Hello, dear student. Welcome back to our English listening practice. Today you will follow Mia and Leo from the airport to the Eiffel Tower, then to a cafe, a bakery, and a night cruise. You will hear natural, simple English for real life. Before we start, here are 5 questions. Listen carefully. 1. Why couldn't Leo sleep the night before the trip? 2. What seat did Mia choose on the plane? 3. What snack did Mia and Leo buy at the duty-free shop? 4. What is the first thing Mia wants to do in Paris? 5. How do Mia and Leo travel from the airport to the city? Write your answers in the comments. Ready? Let's begin. Mia and Leo arrive at the airport very early. The sun is not up yet.
I'm a little tired, but I'm so excited.
Me too. I couldn't sleep last night.
Why not?
I kept thinking about Paris, the food, the art, the tower.
Me too. I dreamed about croissants.
Only you dream about food.
French food is famous. Okay, let's check in.
Bonjour, tickets and passports, please.
Here you are. 2 seats together, please.
Of course, window or aisle.
Window for me, please.
Perfect. Seats 1 for A and 1 for B. Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice flight to Paris.
Next, they go to security. Many people are in line.
Oh, the line is long, but that's okay.
We have time. Do you remember the rules?
Yes, take off your jacket and shoes. Take out your laptop.
And no water bottles. I finished mine.
Good. I finished mine too.
Okay. It's our turn.
I hope I don't forget anything.
Don't worry. I'll help you.
Please put your bags on the belt. Walk through the scanner.
Oh no!
It's okay. Just your watch. Take it off and walk again.
Phew, no problem. Thank you.
After security, they walk through the duty-free shop.
Look, Leo, French perfume.
Do you want to buy some?
Maybe later, but look at the chocolates.
Those are Belgian chocolates, very famous.
Can we buy a small box for the plane?
Good idea. Let's buy one.
Hello, this one is very popular. Only 10 euros.
We'll take it. Thank you.
Now we have a sweet snack for the flight.
You and your sweets.
Life is short. Eat the chocolate.
They find their gate. They sit down and wait.
Gate 12. That's us. Look at the plane.
It's big. I think it can fit 300 people.
I'm a little nervous now.
Wide?
Flying is safe, but my stomach feels funny.
That's normal. Let's do breathing exercises.
Okay, breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3.
Better?
Yes, thank you. You always calm me down.
That's what partners do.
I love you.
I love you too. Now let's listen for the announcement.
Now boarding flight to first 7 to Paris. All passengers, please go to gate 12.
I have the tickets. You have the passports.
Perfect team.
Hello, here is our ticket.
Welcome aboard. Your seats are to the left.
Thank you. Come on. Mia.
Wow, the plane is so clean, and it smells new.
Like a new car, but in the sky.
You are silly.
They find their seats, row 14.
Here it is, 14A and 14B. You take the aisle, Leo.
No. You take the aisle if you want.
No, I want the window. I told you.
Okay. Okay. Window for you.
Perfect. I can see everything.
Don't forget to put your bag under the seat.
Yes, sir.
And fasten your seatbelt.
Done. Look, there's a little pillow and blanket.
For the long flight, that's nice.
The plane moves to the runway, then it stops for a moment.
Why did we stop?
We are waiting for permission to take off.
Oh, now we're moving again. Faster, faster.
Here we go. Hold my hand.
I'm holding. Oh,
Look, the ground is falling away.
the cars look like ants. The houses look like tiny squares.
And now, clouds.
We are flying above the clouds. It's like heaven.
Only 3 more hours until Paris.
The seatbelt sign turns off. The flight attendant comes with drinks.
Excuse me, would you like something to drink?
Yes. Please. What are the options?
Water, orange juice, apple juice, coffee, tea, and soda.
I'll have coffee, please, black.
Here you are, and for you, miss.
Apple juice, please. And can I have a small water too?
Of course. Here's apple juice and water.
Thank you so much.
Coffee on a plane tastes different, better, I think.
Apple juice always tastes sweet. It makes me happy.
You are easy to please.
Simple things are the best.
1 hour later, they serve lunch.
This looks good for airplane food.
The chicken is a little dry, but the bread is fresh.
Do you want some of my pasta?
Yes. 1 bite. Yours is better.
We can share. That's what couples do.
After lunch, Leo takes out a travel guide. They make plans.
So, day 1. We arrive in the morning. What do you want to do first?
See the Eiffel Tower. That's number 1.
Okay. Then what?
Eat a real croissant. Not from a supermarket. A real French croissant.
Easy. There are bakeries everywhere.
Then walk along the river. What's it called?
The Seine River. Very romantic.
And at night, can we see the tower with lights?
Yes, every night it sparkles for 5 minutes.
Sparkles? Like diamonds?
Yes, thousands of lights. You will cry.
I already want to cry. I'm so happy.
Leo turns on the screen. They watch a movie together.
Look, they have a movie about Paris.
Really? Put it on.
It's a cartoon, a girl who loses her cat in Paris.
That sounds cute. Let's watch.
Look, the bakery has croissants, just like we will eat.
Life imitates art. Or art imitates life?
I don't know, but I'm hungry again.
Ha ha ha! You're always hungry.
Traveling makes me hungry.
The cabin lights turn off. People sleep.
I'm getting sleepy. The movie made me tired.
Good. Sleep a little. We have 2 more hours.
Will you sleep too?
Maybe later. I want to read my book first.
Okay, but don't move too much.
I won't move. Sweet dreams, my love.
Sweet dreams. See you in Paris.
See you in Paris.
The sun rises. Leo gently wakes Mia.
Look outside.
Oh my God. Land. Green and yellow fields. Little rivers.
That's France. We are almost there.
How long?
30 minutes. The pilot said we are starting to descend.
30 minutes until Paris. I can't believe it.
Believe it. We did it.
Thank you for making this happen, Leo.
Thank you for being my adventure partner.
We are here. We are really here.
Welcome to France, Mia.
Merci, Leo. Ha ha ha.
Oh, you speak French now.
Only 1 word, but I will learn more.
The plane stops. Everyone stands up.
Okay. Let's wait. People are in a hurry.
I'm not in a hurry. I want to remember every second.
That's a good attitude.
Should we take a selfie on the plane?
Yes. Last selfie in the air.
We look tired but happy.
That's the best kind of happy.
Okay, let's go. The line is moving.
Don't forget your jacket. It might be cold outside.
Good reminder. I almost forgot.
They walk to passport control. The line is long but fast.
Bonjour. Passeport, please.
Here you are. We are tourists.
How long will you stay in France?
5 days.
Where will you sleep?
At a hotel near the Eiffel Tower.
Welcome to France. Enjoy your stay.
Merci beaucoup.
Oh, you speak French. Very good.
They go to baggage claim. The bags come out on a moving belt.
There's our belt, number 4.
I see a red bag. That's not ours.
Mine is dark blue. Yours is pink with flowers.
There, pink with flowers. That's mine.
Got it. Now look for dark blue.
I see it, coming around the corner.
Perfect. To bags. Let's go.
That was fast. Sometimes baggage takes forever.
Lucky us. Paris already loves us. Do you want a taxi or the train?
Train. It's cheaper and more local.
I agree. Let's buy tickets at the machine.
1 ticket to Saint Michel. That's near the river.
2 tickets. Please, do you have coins?
Yes, I have 10 euros in coins.
Here, 2 tickets. Beep. Got them.
The train comes in 3 minutes. Let's go to platform 2.
You are a good navigator.
I studied the map last night.
They sit on the train. It leaves the airport.
Look outside. Graffiti on the walls. That's very Paris.
Yes, Paris is not just the Eiffel Tower. It's real life.
I see apartment buildings. People hanging laundry.
In 30 minutes, we will be in the center.
I'm getting nervous again. Good nervous.
Me too. Do you want to listen to music?
No, I want to hear the sounds of Paris.
The train sounds, that's romantic.
Shut up. You know what I mean.
They get off at Saint Michel. They walk up the stairs.
Oh my God.
The Seine River, and look across the river.
Notre Dame, the famous cathedral?
Yes, even with the fire years ago, it's still beautiful.
I'm speechless. Really, no words.
That's the magic of Paris.
They walk along the river. They see the Eiffel Tower in the distance.
Is that the tower? So far away but so tall.
Yes, it's about 2 kilometers from here.
Can we walk? I want to feel the city.
Of course, let's walk along the river.
Look at the bookstalls. Green boxes. What are they called?
Les bouquinistes. They sell old books and posters.
Can we stop later? I want to buy a poster.
Yes. For now, let's keep walking to the tower.
Finally, they arrive at the Eiffel Tower. It is much bigger than they imagined.
Leo, it's huge.
300 meters tall, 18,000 pieces of iron.
How do you know that?
I read the guidebook on the plane.
I love that you prepare everything.
I love that you feel everything.
I feel so small, but in a good way.
The world is big, but we are here together.
That's why I love traveling with you.
After the tower, they feel hungry. They find a small cafe.
Bonjour. What would you like?
Do you have an English menu?
Yes, of course. Ria. Ew. Ar.
Oh, they have croque monsieur. That's a grilled cheese with ham.
I'll have that. And a coffee.
I'll have a quiche Lorraine and an orange juice.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
Do you have croissants?
Yes, very fresh. Made this morning.
1 croissant, please. For dessert.
Dessert before lunch.
This is Paris. No rules. My orange juice is fresh, not from a box.
Everything in Paris tastes better.
Even the water?
Okay. Maybe not the water.
Wow, look at the cheese. It's all golden and melted.
This is the best sandwich I've ever had.
My quiche is so soft and buttery.
Do you want to share half?
Yes, here. Take some quiche. I'll take some of your sandwich.
Teal. This is the best meal.
I can smell the butter. Oh my God.
Take a bite. I want to see your face.
Leo, this is not a croissant. This is heaven.
Let me try. Wow, so many layers. Crispy outside, soft inside.
Now I understand why people love France.
It's not just the food. It's the feeling.
Yes, the feeling of being alive.
They finish eating. Leo asks for the bill.
How much is it?
28 euros for both. That's not bad.
Including the croissant?
Yes. Good value. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a lovely day in Paris.
Thank you.
Before sunset, they go to a souvenir shop.
I want to buy something to remember this day.
Good idea. What do you want?
Look at these little Eiffel Towers. So cute.
We only need one.
No. Let's buy 2. 1 for you. 1 for me.
Okay. 2 little towers.
And a magnet for our refrigerator. With the Eiffel Tower and a heart.
Every time you open the fridge, you'll remember this day.
They walk to Trocadero. It's the best place to see the tower at sunset.
Look at the colors. Orange, pink, purple. This is our best photo ever.
Because we are truly happy.
Do you think the tower feels our happiness?
I think the tower has seen millions of happy people.
And now us. 2 more happy people.
The sun goes down, the tower lights up, then magic.
I can see everything. The Louvre, Notre Dame, the Eiffel Tower.
And the lights reflect on the water. Look.
The river is like a mirror.
This is the perfect ending to the first day.
Not ending, just the beginning.
To many more days in Paris.
Cheers!
Cheers, my love.
And so, Mia and Leo finished their first day in Paris. They saw the Eiffel Tower. They ate a real croissant. They took a boat on the Seine. And they made memories that will last forever. Now answer the 5 questions. 1. Why couldn't Leo sleep the night before the trip? 2. What seat did Mia choose on the plane? 3. What snack did Mia and Leo buy at the duty-free shop? 4. What is the first thing Mia wants to do in Paris? 5. How do Mia and Leo travel from the airport to the city? Very good. If you found all the answers, you are a great listener. If not, listen again. Repetition is the mother of learning. Now please, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the story, and subscribe to the channel. You are doing amazing. Keep going. One day, you will tell your own story in English. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.